Take a ride in the 2019 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.